New Claude connector update is insane. Anthropic just dropped an official Blender connector for Claude. And this is a big deal if you've ever touched 3D software, made a logo, edited a video, or worked with any creative tool at all. Here's what just happened. Anthropic released 9 new connectors for Claude this week. The biggest one is an official Blender connector, built by the actual Blender team. Not some random GitHub project. The real thing shipped inside Claude Desktop. So what does that mean in plain English? It means you can open Blender on your computer with a 3D scene full of objects, materials, lights, and cameras. And Claude can now look at that scene, read it, understand it, and then go in and change it for you. You don't write code. You don't run scripts. You just talk to Claude like a person. And it does the work inside Blender. Let me give you a quick example. Say you have a messy 3D scene with 200 objects. They all have weird names like Cube 001 and Sphere Dots and 47. A nightmare to clean up. You'd normally spend hours renaming everything by hand. Now, you just tell Claude, look at my scene and rename every object so the name matches what it actually is. Done. In seconds. This is the part most people are missing. This isn't just for 3D artists. It's the same pattern Anthropic is rolling out for Adobe tools too. Photoshop, Illustrator, the big creative apps you already use. So if you're someone who works with any kind of creative software, this update matters to you. Big time. Let me back up and explain why this is different from what came before. Before this week, if you wanted Claude to talk to Blender, you had to set up something called an MCP server yourself. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's basically a way for AI tools to talk to your apps, but setting it up was a pain. You had to download stuff from GitHub, run terminal commands, and hope it worked. Most normal people gave up halfway through. Now Anthropic built it for you. You click a button in Claude Desktop. You install one add-on in Blender. You're done. 2 clicks and you're in. Okay, let's get back into what this Blender update actually does. There are 2 things Claude can do now inside Blender. It can read your scene, and it can write to your scene. Reading means Claude can see everything. Every object, every material, every light, every camera, every node. It knows what's there. Writing means Claude can change stuff. Add new objects, delete old ones, fix materials, reorganize folders, run cleanup tasks, all of it. Here's a real example of how this works. Say you're making a 3D scene of a kitchen. You've got 50 objects in there. Plates, cups, a table, chairs, a fridge. But your scene is running slow. Something's heavy. You don't know what. You ask Claude, find the objects in my scene with the highest polygon count and tell me which ones are slowing things down. Claude scans the whole scene, reads the data, comes back and says, your fridge has 2 million polygons. That's way too many. You can drop it to 50,000 and it will look the same. You didn't have to dig through menus. You didn't have to count anything. Claude did it. Quick pause here. If you're sitting here thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but how do I actually use this in my own work? That's exactly what we cover inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We've got step-by-step tutorials on the new Claude connectors, daily videos walking you through how to set up Claude to control Blender, Photoshop, and the other creative tools that just got added. Plus 4 live coaching calls every week where you can ask questions about your specific setup. And a community of 2,800 business owners. A lot of them already running Claude connectors for client work, video design, all of it. Link in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Now here's where it gets useful for normal people, not just 3D artists. Most folks watching this don't use Blender every day. That's fine, because the same exact idea is rolling out across other creative tools. Imagine you're putting together a slideshow. You've got 40 slides. Pictures, text, weird formatting all over the place. You ask Claude, look at my deck and make every slide use the same font and color. Done. Or you're editing a long video. You ask, find every clip where someone says and cut it out. Done. Or you're designing a logo. You ask, make me 5 color variations of this logo and save them in a folder. Done. This is the pattern. Claude looks at your file. You tell it what you want, does the work. Let me get into the actual setup so you can try this today. You need 3 things. First, Claude Desktop, not the website version. The desktop app. Download it from claude.com. Free. Second, Blender 4.2 or newer. That's the latest version. If you've got an older one, update it. Third, you flip on the Blender connector inside Claude Desktop. Go to Settings, click Connectors, find Blender, turn it on. Then in Blender, you install the official MCP add-on. The Blender team made it. You drag a link into Blender, hit install, and you're done. Last step. In Blender, hit the N key on your keyboard. A side panel pops up. Look for the Blender MCP tab. Click Connect to Claude. That's it. Now Claude can see your Blender scene. Smart things you can ask it to do right away. Look at my scene and rename every object based on what it actually is. Find materials that aren't being used and delete them. Tell me what would break if I delete this object. Explain this node tree to me step by step. That last one is huge. Node trees in Blender are like a flowchart, that controls how something looks. They can get really complicated, like hundreds of little boxes connected with lines complicated. People spend years learning to read them. Claude can now look at your node tree and explain it, box by box, in plain English, like having a Blender teacher sitting next to you. Now, I want to be straight with you about what this update doesn't do. Claude is not going to replace a 3D artist. If you ask it to build a perfect human face from scratch, it will struggle. It still gets scale wrong sometimes. It still messes up topology, which is how the 3D mesh is built underneath. But that's not really the point. The point is the boring tasks, the cleanup, the renaming, the I have to do this 100 times stuff. That's where Claude shines. Think of it like this. You're the boss. Claude is the new helper who showed up on day one. Smart, fast, but still learning. You give clear directions. Claude follows them. You check the work. You give more directions. The scene gets better. This is the part that's going to change how creative work gets done. The way most people work with creative tools right now is slow. You learn the software for years. You memorize keyboard shortcuts. You build muscle memory. You become a pro. What's happening now is different. You don't need to know every menu in Blender. You just need to know what you want the final thing to look like. Claude handles the how. This same shift is hitting every creative app. Photoshop, Premiere, Figma, After Effects. The connectors are rolling out fast. So what does this mean for you? If you're a 3D artist, this is your new junior helper. You stay in charge. The boring parts of your day go away. You spend more time on the creative stuff, thinking, the art, less time on cleanup. Business. This is huge. If that used to need a designer or a video editor or a 3D person, you can now do a lot of it yourself. Team can move way faster. Pretty wild when you think about it. If you're a content creator, this is your shortcut. Editing a video, Claude can help cut it. Making a thumbnail, Claude can run Photoshop for you. Need a 3D animation, Blender plus Claude. Here's the part that hits hardest. The gap between I have an idea and I have a finished thing used to be huge. You needed skills, you needed time, you needed money for software or for someone to make it for you. That gap is shrinking fast. Every month it gets smaller. This Blender connector is one piece of it. The Adobe connectors are another. There will be more. Honestly, people who learn how to use these tools right now will be way ahead in 6 months. The ones who wait, they'll be playing catch up. I'm not saying this to scare you. I'm saying it because it's true. The folks who jumped on Claude Code 6 months ago are running circles around everyone else right now. Same thing is about to happen with these connectors. I want to give you a free starting point. Try the cleanup task I just talked about. Open Blender. Add the connector. Claude to clean up a messy scene. Just one task. Get the win. Build from there. If you want more than that, I've got a place for you. The AI Profit Boardroom has a 30-day roadmap built around the new Claude connectors. We walk you through Blender, Photoshop, Illustrator, all of them. Daily tutorials, step by step. Show you how to set them up, how to use them in your day-to-day work, how to save hours every week. 4 live coaching calls every week with people deep in this stuff right now. A community of 2,800 business owners, many already running Claude connectors for their work. A prompt library full of ready-to-use prompts for Blender and the other creative tools, and a member map so you can find people near you using these same tools. Link in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, come join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from this episode, plus access to 67,000 members who are crushing it with AI every single day. One last thing before you go. The Blender connector is just the start. Anthropic shipped 9 connectors this week. That's the biggest creative tool drop they've ever done. More are coming. If you've been waiting for the right time to learn this stuff, this is it. The tools are here. The setup is easy. Wins are real. Try it this weekend. Open Blender and Claude. Connect them. Ask Claude to do one boring task you'd normally hate. Watch what happens. Then come back and tell me what you made. Drop a comment with the first thing you'd want Claude to automate in your work. Could be 3D stuff. Could be design stuff. Could be video stuff. Read every comment. And the best ones I'll cover in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this every time a big AI update drops. There will be a lot more soon. Trust me on that. See you in the next one.